Okay, welcome back. It's TechDaveMT, and this is a long due coming YouTube video as the follow-up of one of my first YouTube videos, the Google TV, the new Chromecast by Google. And as you can see on my TV, obviously Google TV from the day that I gave you the unboxing has been long used of a couple of months. I can say that I'm extremely satisfied with it. Obviously I suggest a strong Wi-Fi signal because if not you will have some issues, but regardless, apart from that, it's a very nice, as you can notice, UI by Google, very clean, nice format. And there's Crunchyroll for those who like me like nice good anime cartoons, Japanese style. There is obviously Netflix, there is Amazon Prime, there is Spotify, there is Red Bull TV, and of course YouTube. For those having some issues with YouTube, I didn't have any issues. There exists the Puffin TV player too, which can help as an alternative solution. In fact, it tells you that you are being directed to youtube.com. However, in our case, and I will show you the remote in a second, we have YouTube buttons and Netflix directly from our remote that comes with the package, with the Google TV, and it's easier to access. And Netflix, as always, is great for binging movies. There are myriads of films and an array to choose from, as you can imagine, on Netflix. And with all the Netflix menu and so forth. That is the home page. We have the home, we have the apps from where you can download apps. You have your own library, and you have the search for the Google Assistant. Then there are obviously the usual settings that my TechDaveMT. Then there are the usual settings that you can adapt according to your necessities. I highly recommended Google TV. It is my daily drive at home on my TV for movies, YouTube, you name it. As you can see here, there are on the UI, it's even section by sections. No, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify. It reminds you where you left or what you want to continue watching, or else it gives you choices to choose what do you want on the day. I had already showed it to you in the unboxing. I'm showing it to you again. This is the remote that comes with the Google TV. You have the Google Assistant here. It's handy. You press it and you just ask as usual with the Google. The back, home, and you have even the buttons for YouTube and Netflix there. I'm trying to focus, but you can notice YouTube and Netflix. It's a sleek remote with volumes here, up and down volumes, and it has its own battery compartment. And since it's so slippery and sleek and fragile, I opted for a soft case from Amazon. I will link below if you're interested. That's the infrared hole. These are for the volume buttons. And it's quite, let's say, it can support a couple of thuds or crashes, hopefully not. It even has its own string, and there are various colors. So that's the Google TV by Google, obviously. I really enjoy using it. Very customer friendly, very nice format. UI it's simple. for everyone to use. I highly recommended it. Let me know if you already purchased it or if you have an alternative solutions like Hulu and others, but I find Google so intuitive. Let me know down in the comments if you want. Like, comment, and please subscribe. Take care. Cheers and see ya in the next video.